Hello everyone, my name is Rose and I'm going to share how to create a wish list on Elfster tutorial. So let's get started. So this is what'll kind of look like on a phone. So how to make a wish list. So you're going to go down here in your navigation and the one that says wish list with a heart, you're going to click that. From here, you could see that this is your wish list area and you're going to click on here, create a wish list. So this is just a default name, but you could rename it. So I'm going to name this Holiday Wish List 20, oops, 2023. And then you could also put a wish list description if you want. And then over here is who can see your wish list. So these are the different options. The first one is public, which anyone at Elfster can see your wish list. Limited, so that means you can choose a particular individual or group that can see your wish list. And the last one is private, only visible to you. So some of the things that I like to do is do the limited one. And from the limited one, you could select a group that you're currently in exchange of. Or you could also pick an individual, which is like one of your friends. So I'm going to click a group of Secret Santa 2023. And then after I'm done, I'm going to click save. So now that I see that everything looks correct, I'm going to click save. And there you go. My holiday wish list is right here. So you could see the name, the settings, and when it was updated. So that is the end of the tutorial, and thank you for watching. So like, comment, and subscribe.